Okay, hello everyone, this is Loti and today we have OCG pen list prediction from January 4 January 2024, and we will get this pen list in this Sunday night uh, on like 9 p.m. from Japan. And yeah, I have my prediction in here, and as you can see, so far, Fire Tech is just best deck right now in OCG, especially for Fire King. RS is become second best deck because sometimes is a break with Rescue S, and with Fire King deck you can play a lot of hand trap and you can easily like a one card combo with it and make the deck better than before, especially with Snake Eye Engine plus bonfire and make take a lot of better than rescue S. So let's start for this band, this Blaze Phoenix. Phoenix become a bit popular in last couple week in December. It because you can really easy to FTK with a Phoenix, starting with especially in rescue S, starting with airlifter plus bonfire I believe, and you can easy to FTK with it. And also I saw a couple player play this Phoenix FTK build and they won, and some player got top with it. So I feel like this card is should be banned, but if not, I think it's not a really problem. So I feel like this card ban is like 50-50, but I want to see this card is banned. Next is Grass. Grass is still semi-limit in OCG, but this card is banned in TCG. Um, I want actually I want to put this card at least limit, but I feel like this card is should be banned, especially with Infernoid support, and everyone try to play Infernoid, and it's Infernoid is really crazy because this card is not important. And I saw a game where Infernoid player use Grass and negated by Ash Blossom, but they have trust, search another Grass and activate Grass and mill like 20 or something, so which is really crazy. So this card is should be banned, but at least limit is fine, but I want to see this card is banned. Even though this card banned, I think and I feel like Infernoid is can play 60 cards build because of new fusion card help you mill like around 5 or 10 cards from your deck. So card is still good even though this card is get banned. And also we have a new support for like Swan. So with this card uh, ban, so it limited like Swan uh, deck become 60 cards. So yeah, I want to put Grass become banned. Next limit airlifter. I put this airlifter into limit in my prediction before, and Konami only hit this card become a semi, but because this rescue S is still tier 1, so I feel like this card is should be limit. And in TCG this card is already limit because they announced ban list yesterday. So I feel like this card is limit. This is the reason why deck is really strong, because you can one card combo with airlifter, and with two airlifter you can summon another one from your deck and search your HQ and help you to cycle your rescue S card from your deck or Pension. But with this card limit, um, rescue S player need to be careful to and try to cycle this card, let's say with rescue or maybe Promethean princess. And yeah, this card is need to be limit, so they cannot like summon another one from deck after summon it. Next card of the maze, Runic Stun is still good, and the reason why deck is still good because of this card of the maze, help you to draw 2 or 3 depend with your card in hand. And this card help you to search your float gate, and that's the reason why Runic Stun is really strong in OCG. In DCG, this card is already limit, so I hope this card is limit, because this card is really annoying and easy to give you like +1 or 2 from a card. Next, wanted sinful of spoil or something. So I personally want to put this card become semi, at least just a little bit fit, or little bit make this engine become inconsistent. But I already put another card become semi, so I need something else to put in limit for this Diablo engine. So this one that might be a limit or semi. It's still 50-50 for me, because this card help you to search Diablo Star from grave or deck. Also, you can banish this and cycle back your sinful foil spell or trap and give you a 1 draw. So this card won't give you a lot of value. So, and we already have like under Snake Eye a spell that put your Diablo Star from your deck or grave to your spell trap zone. So I think this card might be limit, but limit or semi, it's fine, I think. And it look balanced in my opinion if this card is limit or semi. Next, we have Magus Spectre Unicorn Kirin. Even though with new support Magus Spectre, deck is still not good enough to compete with other deck. Because right now only Pendulum Magician who can compete with under deck for Pendulum deck. And I feel like this card is fine, or maybe we can test this card become limit, and if this card is broken, we can ban this card again. But I think I want to see this card limit, and to see what happened with the meta right now. Because it's only bounce 1 card, I think it's not good enough for meta game right now. Also because this card is Pendulum, you need to like starting with at least 2 or 3 cards in starting hand to start combo. So that's the different Pendulum with under deck, because under deck right now can combo with 1 card only, and other cards in hand you can put lot of hand traps. So I think I want to see Kirin become limit. Same with plus fire too. I think 1 plus fire it's fine, because I know that this card is not Burton, but you need to destroy it to trigger it effect. So you need at least 2 cards in starting hand to activate or trigger this post fire effect. Also, if you want to put this performance engine, you need underperforming cards in your deck. So I think this is the first version of super heavy Wakaushi, and Wakaushi is too much better because Wakoshi is similar like monkey board. I forget to put a monkey board to semi, and I feel like monkey board will become semi because that is not good enough for our meta right now because Wakoshi is too much better. And for plus fire, you need at least Luster Pedulum or Undercut that can help you to destroy your skull or discard. And you need underperforming in your deck too. So I think it's not efficient for or not good enough for this meta right now. So I think one is fine. Next, Tidal. Actually, it's between Tidal or Red Dogs, but Red Dogs is already limit in TCG yesterday, and I want to put under cards become a limit, and I feel like I want to see Tidal in OCG. This card might be become Redux or Tidal become limit, and if Redux limit is fine, I think, because cards effect is similar like Vernus Sleep, and Vernus Sleep is too much better than Redux. So maybe Redux and Tidal become limit, and I think it's not changed much for our meta right now because once again, if you want to play this card, you need undercard, Baby Dragon, and I don't think this card is good enough for to put in under deck. Next, Necrophage. I put Necrophage because of a new Lex 1 support, and some people try to like FTK with try to take out opponent with this Necrophage cycle, Necrophage with a new Lex 1 turbo deck, and you can cycle on this with Leviair from your banish zone, and you can banish this with a snow and trigger it again. And I think I need to share that combo, but the idea is to banish this with snow if this card is in grave, because new Lex 1 support help you to mill a lot from your deck, and you can like FTK with take out opponent with it. So this card is really annoying actually, and people already use this in 60 cards variant but different build. But I believe with Lex 1 support, this card is become more playable and become more annoying than before. So I want to see this card is limit. This card is really annoying. Because this card is similar like Calbec and Akito, but you need to banish this card from you need to banish this card, and both player will banish 5 top deck. So yeah, I want to see this card to become limit. Fender, this card is only in TCG, so this is really weird, and this card is banned in OCG, and I feel like one is enough because under cards is already limit. Let's say a field spell plus unicorn, and without Fenrir, this Kastra is not doing well. So I want to see this card become limit, and I feel like one is enough, I think. Next, semi-limit. I put emergency instead of Hadron and under card. It because this card is quick play, and this card help you a lot. Let's say your Rescue X is targeted by opponent failure, import, or under else you can chain this, and you can still trigger your monster. So that's the one of the reason about why this card is need to be hit, let's say semi limit. Maybe they limit this one, but I think I want to see this card semi limit first. But this card have a high chance to become a limit too. Next, Snake Eye Ash. The reason this card is really strong. Actually, I want to put this card become limit, but if this card is a limit, deck like a Snake Eye will hurt a lot about this card, because this card is become popular because of Fire King. Every Fire King deck list right now use Snake Eye Ash. They play 3 Ash, and with Ash alone you can play full combo with a Fire King. And Bonfire, this card maybe become limit, but I think right now semi it's enough, and let's see what happen next. Because this card is only per turn, so different with reinforcement of the army, you can only use Bonfire is once per turn, and this card is still not released yet in TCG, and this is the reason why Snake Eye Engine is really strong right now with Populous release. And next, Fire King Kirin. I put Kirin over under cards. It because this card have quick effect in main base, so it help you to destroy your one fire monster from your hand or field, especially in a field. Let's say your Snake Eye Ash is targeted by opponent Valor or Imperm, you can chain this Kirin, destroy your own Ash, and you can still add Snake Eye add level 1 fire from your deck to your hand, and it will not negated by opponent cards. Also, the ability to activate this in opponent turn is really important too, and help you to interrupt in opponent turn too, and help you to summon exit rank 8 Fire King and destroy monster on the board. So that's really crazy, and this card is let's say like one of the best card in Fire King right now. And next, Luster Pendulum. This card is unlimited in TCG in Master Duel 2. And in OCG this card is still limit, which is really weird because Ricochet is cannot do much in OCG. Also under Pendulum deck is not use this card anymore. So I think it's nonsense. This card is still a limit. This card should be only, and I think it's not give more impact for meta game right now. Following with Luster Pendulum, Chronograph is it's fine if become semi or only. It because only Pendulum Magician who can use this card, and this card is not good as Astrograph because this card is only help you to summon from your hand, but I think it's not good enough from for current meta right now, and I want to see this card is become semi. Next, Sprite Jet. Actually I want to put between Blue Jet or Starter. Both are limited in OCG, and it card is only in DCG, so that's really weird too. But if I want to choose between Blue Jet or Starter, I think I want to put the Jet become semi, or maybe both of them become semi. But I think both three of them become a semi, it's really weird too. So I put Jet because you can only search spell with it. Different with Blue, you can search any level to Sprite, and Starter can special summon any Sprite monster. So I think Jet becomes semi, it's fine. Float get, I put together Kaiser Colosseum, Gozen. There can be only one, and Rival 3. Both become semi. Semi it's fine. I think for Kaiser Colosseum, this card is still only in OCG, and this card is become popular again because of Salamangreat is use this card. They use this card in main deck or side deck, and the reason why Salamangreat is really strong in OCG is because of this Kaiser Colosseum. And for Underfloat Gap, I think semi it's fine, and it because runic stun is still good. That's why I put this three together in semi limit. I think if this card is limit is too much because skill drain in OCG is already limit. So semi it's fine. I mean I think, and if they not semi limit these three together, maybe one of these become semi maybe. Wait, I think rivalry is already semi. Okay, so yeah, I forget about this rivalry is already a semi, so you can ignore it maybe. And there goes on, and there can be only one. It's become semi. Okay, so I forget about rivalry is already semi. Um, yeah, I forget to put monkey board. I think card is fine become semi or limit because card is not good enough. We already have Wakaushi where too much better than monkey board because monkey board can only search perform mapal cards, perform mapal monster, and different with Wakaushi. You can put another scale and you can spell summon itself and have under ability to spell summon support heavy from your deck too. So Wakose it's better version from monkey board, so that's why I want to put a monkey board and the semi or only. And next unlimited dark womb. I feel like even if this card is become only, people only play it too maybe because sometimes you break and you don't want to see this card in your starting hand because starting hand with Dragon Stream plus Joker is really strong. You don't want to open like Dark Womb in hand and have multiple Dark Womb 2. I think 2 is good enough even though this card is only. Draconic Diagram, no one play this card anymore, and it because Masterpiece is still banned. And even if they know tech can use this, but no one play trucking engine anymore in Deno tech. So this if this card is only, it's fine. Right, next right. Uh, Red is semi before, and I think no one play more than 2 in a deck, and it because Graven is still banned, and I think it's fine if this card is only because Water Enchanter is already only. Next Girsu Orcus is not too much in OCG right now, and yeah, I think it's fine if this Girsu is become only. Okay, so I think that's it. Maybe I miss some cards that I forget to mention about, let's say, monkey board, maybe anything else I forget to mention or put on the list. But I feel like this list is good so far because I hit Fire King. For example, this Snake Eye Ash, Bonfire, Kirin. It is for Fire King deck. Maybe they will limit one of this, but because Fire King is still new deck, I think semi-limit is fine. Next is Rescue Ash. This deck is avoid a banlist once, so that's why I put this Airlifter into limit. and emergency into semi-limit. Next, another fire tech is Salman Gate. Salman Gate is really strong. It because we have Kaiser Colosseum, so that's why I put Kaiser Colosseum into semi-limit. Maybe they will hit Kaiser Colosseum become limit maybe. Next, another fire tech is Infernoid. This grass need to be a limit or maybe banned, and I feel like this card is need to be banned. Okay, so I forget to mention about this wanted spin foil or something. um, Rescue S and Fire King is are use these cards, so that's why I put this card is limit. This also have or a slot down deck who use this Diablo engine. And next, Floodgate, because of Runic. I forgot about Rivalry is already semi, so you can ignore this Rivalry in here. A card is already semi, but different with Gozen and there can be only one. Card is still only, and I feel like they need to at least semi limit this card. Card of the Mess is really annoying, help you to draw 2 or 3 in Runic Stun, and under S is fine, I think. So I think that's it. If you have a different idea of talk about this, you can share or you can comment below. Yeah, let's see what will happen in this Sunday, and see you on the next one.